and you have my library. So my library is going to be anything that you've saved to your library. So anything that you've saved to your library is going to show up everywhere in that room. So it's a great way to like build pre-built templates. And a very common use case would be like grabbing this top menu and then clicking save to my library. And then it's going to show up here, and you can reuse that across all of your projects. You can also mark something as favorite, and it will immediately be selected. If you sort by favorites, it'll show up at the top. Now you can also save not just sections but groups. So for example, if I really like these featured products, then maybe I don't want to save that whole section, but maybe these are like one type of product that are all sort of go together. So let's go ahead and group those together, and let's call that like for example, wireless catalog. And now I can save that to my library, and now that's going to be in my library. So now if I look for groups, I can see like my wireless catalog, and I can reuse that into different parts. And again, it's not a section, so I can add it inside of another section. It's a group.